Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today we are starting a very important chapter of biology, that is about chapter 3, movement in and out of the cell. And our topic for today is diffusion. In this lesson you will learn what diffusion is, how substances move in and out of the cell. So take your notebook, sit comfortably, and let's start today's lesson. Firstly, we will discuss the introduction of this topic, that all living cells need oxygen for respiration, water and mineral ions for reaction, and food molecules like glucose. At the same time, cell must remove carbon dioxide and waste products. So substances move into and out of the cell through cell membrane. There are the two important processes, that is diffusion and the active transport. So firstly, we will discuss the diffusion. Let us start with the definition of diffusion. That diffusion is the net movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration down a concentration gradient due to the random movement of particles. Now we discuss the definition, main points of the definition. The definition has the three main points, that movement is from higher concentration to lower concentration. No energy is required. It happens because particles move randomly. Now our next question is, how does diffusion happen? Our molecules have kinetic energy, which means that they are always moving. They move randomly in liquid and gases. Just because of this movement, particles spread out evenly in available space. For example, if a perfume is sprayed in one corner of the room, after some time the smell spreads everywhere. This happens due to diffusion. Now we are going to discuss the diffusion through cell membrane. Small molecules can pass easily through the cell membrane, such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. If oxygen concentration is higher outside the cell and lower inside the cell, so oxygen will diffuse into the cell. If carbon dioxide concentration is higher inside the cell and lower outside, so carbon dioxide will diffuse out of the cell. In this way, diffusion helps cells to get useful substances and remove waste. Now we discuss the diffusion and respiration. When a cell respires, it uses oxygen, so oxygen level inside the cells become low. This causes oxygen to diffuse into the cell. At the same time, carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Its concentration increases inside the cells become high, so carbon dioxide diffuses out of the cell. Thus, diffusions explain how oxygen enters the cell and carbon dioxide leave the cell. So students, this was our today's lecture, in which we study the introduction of the diffusion and understand that how oxygen enters in the cell and how carbon dioxide removes from the cell. So hope you will get it. If you find any confusion in this, you can ask me in the comment section. If this lecture is useful for you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. See you in the next video. Take care.